In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a service ID in Twilio. Whether you're setting up a new project or updating an existing one, having the correct service identification is crucial for seamless integration. Today, we're focusing on messaging services within Twilio, and I'll walk you through the simple steps to locate the service ID you need. Let's begin by navigating to your Twilio account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, locate the navigation pane on the left side of the screen. This menu is your gateway to a variety of features that Twilio offers, but for today, our interest is specifically in messaging services. So, go ahead and click on Messaging. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll see several options related to Twilio's messaging capabilities. Next, click on Services. This leads you to a page that lists all the messaging services associated with your Twilio account. Each service here can be thought of as a container for your messaging configurations and sends. Now, scroll through this list and identify the messaging service you are interested in working with. Once you've located the appropriate service, the next step is to click directly on its name. This action will take you to the details page for that specific messaging service. Here, Twilio provides a summary of settings and configurations related to that service, which makes it much easier to manage your messaging applications. The piece of information we're targeting is the service SID, which is a unique identifier for your messaging service. On the details page, the service SID is prominently displayed at the top. It begins with MG, followed by a series of letters and numbers. This identifier is essential for any API calls or configurations you might need to perform, as it ensures that the correct service is being utilized. Understanding and accessing your service SID is an integral part of managing your Twilio projects efficiently. You can copy this unique identifier and keep it handy for your development needs or whenever you're setting up or troubleshooting your messaging configuration. With this service SID, you can make sure that your interactions with Twilio are precise and correctly directed, avoiding any misdirection that could arise from using an incorrect ID. That's all there is to it. Retrieving a service ID in Twilio is a straightforward process once you know where to look. Remember, keeping this ID secure is important to maintain the integrity and security of your service. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for your journey with Twilio. Stay tuned for more tips and guides tailored to making your experience with Twilio even smoother.